it like that side. Let's see if it goes back out. Ah, so there might be a problem. Yeah, those on that frog, it was stopping there. Oh, now it's come off altogether now. Testing's going well. Right, so stick that back on the track. Now, what I just noticed is this point here appear to have stopped on. Yeah, see. Stop right on that frog. Now what I think that could be, because I've got a point motor on this point that has the micro frog switch to it, because these are the unifrog points. Sorry, not electrofrog, unifrog points, which basically means that the metal frog bit there is live. So basically, when the point motor changes, it changes the polarity of the frog. And I think what could possibly be wrong, I think the live and the positive on the motor for the point motor for the frog, I think they could be the wrong way round. So I've got to sort that out, because it just stops on that frog, and I think that could be the problem. But that'll be a problem for another day. But at least we know it goes into that track. Now what I have got a little bit of track here. Now I did buy this engine shed for that track, but I think I might have found something a bit better now. But this was meant to go there. But what we'll do, we'll just know about the frog, but let's just see if it can get into there. See if it'll go into that track. Okay, so actually I haven't changed the points for that one. Change the points. Eventually all this is gonna have point motors eventually, but it's at various stages completion. And it's come off. Okay, let's try that again. I think if I had to move out of this place and move the layout, I think a lot of this will probably change in regards to the track work. Yeah, on that frog again. But it does go in there. And I think I might have gone too far. Yeah. It does go in that bit. Now, the strange thing is, say about the frog being, the frog wires being the wrong way round, but it will go around this bit, which is a bit strange. Like that. It'll go around fine. But a problem I am having with this one, so if you look at this point here, this point here is a bit of a mistake. I shouldn't have. I've put the point this way to allow for entry into the coal loader and to maybe set up a bit of like a turnaround loop while the mainline drains is not running, because this is the main line currently, and it just goes round in a loop, in like a balloon loop, so the train's going that way. Now the problem I had, the reason why I say this is a bit of a mistake, is because the train is going into the point, so it's going into the blades. Now I haven't put a point motor on this one yet, so I'm possibly hoping that maybe with the point motor on there, the strength of the point motor, will keep it to that side when the train goes over it. But sometimes it does like to come off in this bit, like the front pony truck will just come off and then it'll want to go straight. Probably won't be a problem for diesels. I think diesels will probably be okay. I ain't got a diesel loco yet, so I don't know, but I know my A4 does struggle on this bit. It will come off and then just want to go straight. So let's see if it'll. See, it's okay there, but yeah, sometimes it will come off like that. See it come off on that point. It's just the pony truck. Okay, right, I'll just turn the power off, and then we'll see how the scenery's doing. Okay, so that's about it for this video today. This wraps this video up. If you could please remember to like and subscribe if you haven't already. It will sure help the channel to grow. I can make more of these videos. So hopefully my static grass applicator will be coming soon, so I can then work more on this bit. Maybe put some static grass on this bit. I did put a layer of varnish on this bit, but I'll do another layer later on, and then I'll probably do a bit of the video where I do some of the varnish on the next one. But thanks again for watching. If you like the video, if you could please like and subscribe and share the video. I've put all the videos in the playlist now, so if you could just share the playlist, it'd be great. But just hope you like the video. So until next time, you all take care. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.